Lepe Tendwell Family, what's up? You know what it is. Today is Friday. Super excited. This past weekend was amazing. I went up to LA, hung out with one of my mentors, chilled, and we did what we always do. We hung out, went to go look at some real estate because he owns a lot of it. So we're driving around talking business all day long. I got to drive in one of his fancy cars. If I told you the price, you probably wouldn't believe, but it's in the millions of dollars. And we're driving this thing around town. I had a blast. Sat in on some. I won't bore you with the rest of the stuff that we did, but we did a bunch of real estate stuff. Sunday, Saturday, I did some work, and starting my week this week, Monday, I finished the workbook for the kids' workshop. I'm super excited. Big shout out to Francisco, who helped out with putting it together digitally, all the artwork he created. It's gonna be awesome. And then shout out to Tracy and to Rami Cortez because they're sponsoring the actual putting the books together and printing them and all of that. There's gonna be about 200 kids, so we're super excited about that. I had a bunch of agents, meetings with agents this week, with newbie realtors, with clients. I got hired by several clients this week to sell and to buy homes, so I'm super blessed and grateful for that. I went to a tax workshop, real estate tax workshop. It ended around 9:45 p.m. on a Tuesday. That's right, 9:45 p.m. When I saw like my calendar, I'm like, hold up, I'm supposed to go to a tax workshop starting at 6 p.m. and ends at 9:45. So you can just imagine numbers and at night, it doesn't mesh well, but I enjoyed it. It was a good time. Logan Heights CDC, it's an organization, a nonprofit I've been a part of for a few years. I'm part of the board. We had our monthly meeting last night, and again, 6 p.m. It ended around 8 and some change. So I was just like looking at numbers, talking about the organization. It's kind of tough sometimes during the week when it's at the end of the day, but I'm very happy that we did that. And then I went to a big conference. There was about 5,000 real estate professionals at this conference yesterday, and I spoke, and I was just talking about how we could continue to help people and serve diverse communities, basically, help people in the hood buy and be homeowners as opposed to renters. So I got invited by Wells Fargo, and I was on their panel, and it was just a good time. I enjoyed myself. My weekend plans. Well, I'm gonna go back to that same conference and listen to a couple other people talk today. And then tomorrow, Saturday, just working most of the morning. And then Sunday, I'm flying out to San Antonio, Texas, and I'm gonna go and learn some real estate. I have a thing that I have on Monday to learn more about real estate, how to be a better realtor for each and every one of y'all. So that's my weekend. I hope you guys enjoy yours. See ya. Peace.